Hello, dear student. Welcome. I am Mr. Mahesh Machendra Kutwal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirasgaon. Today we discuss our course Agro 234 Crop Production Technology first, means Kharif crops. In that course, we discuss the most important crop is green gram. Green gram, botanically known as Vigna radiata, its family is Leguminosae and origin place is India and Central Asia. Local name is Mung. Area and distribution of mung or green gram in all over the world, and that economical importance and some area and distribution we have to discuss in that. These crops are generally cultivated in India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, China, Fiji, and African countries. These are the all over the world can be grown these crops. In India, it is cultivated in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. These are the some southern states. Also, major part of the crop growing states in Maharashtra, India. In that the area under these crops in India is near about 23.33 lakhs per hectare, with 13.74 lakhs tons this production all over India. So in Maharashtra this area 6.59 lakh per hectare and 2.83 lakhs tons production. So 429 kg per hectare this productivity of Maharashtra. So this economic important for that crops. This green gram is a source of high quality protein near about 20%, and digestibility, it is the high digestibility of the green gram. So it is a consumed as whole grain as well as dal. Then green gram is also used as a green manuring crop. It have capacity to fix atmospheric nitrogen near about 30 to 40 kg at per hectare. So this is the reduce the fertilizer. So nitrogen fertilizer, it will be lesser amount can be applied and minimum cost of the on fertilizer. This is the very beneficial effect of this leguminous crops. Green gram, he is also a source of riboflavin, thiamine, and vitamin C. So these are the all over different economic importance of green gram. Then we discuss about ecology, in that soil and climatic requirement for green gram crop. Firstly, we discuss about the soil requirement for the green gram. So green gram is grown well on wide range of soil, having the sandy loam soil to clay loam soil can be diverse condition or diversified soil type of the can be grown. It requires fertile and well drained loamy soil. Green gram, this it is the very sensitive for the saline and alkaline soil. It also waterlogged soil are unfit for green gram cultivation. So we have to well drained soil can be chosen for the production or cultivation of the green gram. And soil reaction and means pH is required near about 6.5 to 7.5. This range between the more availability of the different nutrients for the crops. Then climatic requirement for green gram. So green gram crop, it is the tropical crop. It thrives well at 25 to 30 degree Celsius area, having annual rainfall near about 60 to 80 centimeter, is good for the green gram cultivation. Then green gram generally grown in Kharif season, June to July. The growing season of the green gram is June to July, and generally prefer this good climatic requirement for that crop. The major season is green gram for that is Kharif season. Then land preparation or field preparation. In that we discuss about the different tillage practices or tillage operations are carried out for the preparatory tillage. Preparatory tillage is depend on soil type. Generally, one deep ploughing followed by 2 to 3 cross harrowing. Planking is done for before sowing. Add 8 to 10 tons of FYM before last harrowing. So it will be well mix this organic matter or compost in soil, and easily nutrients easily available to the roots. Then we discuss about the different varieties of green grams. Kopargon move, it is the very famous variety of green gram. Then AKM 9911, Jalgon 781, PKV 8802, Fuleyam 2, Pusa Vaishakhi, and TRM 2 and BM4 T44. These are the several important varieties. They will be selected or recommended for the Maharashtra. Then we discuss seed and sowing. In that we discuss different aspects in that: seed rate, seed treatment, time of sowing, spacing, depth of sowing. So these are the several factors we discuss in the seed and sowing. In that, first, sowing time. Generally, green gram grown in Kharif season 15th June to 15th July. It is the optimum period for the green gram sowing. Then seed treatment. Seed treatment: treat the seeds with a Thyram 3 to 4 grams per kg seed. Then rhizobium culture: treat the 250 grams per 10 kg seed. This seed rhizobium culture the more beneficial for the atmospheric nitrogen fixation with symbiotic nitrogen fixation and nodule formation. Maximum nodule formation it will be increased due to the rhizobium culture seed treatment. And reduce the fertilizer dose application, nitrogen fertilizer, so availability increases, and not only the that crop but also the succeeding crop, it will be nitrogen availability is more due to the legumes effect. Then we discuss about the seed rate. Generally 10 to 15 kg seed are required for the Kharif season. Then spacing 30 into 10 centimeter, it is the recommended spacing for the green gram in Maharashtra. Sowing method: drilling. Generally drilling method it is the preferable for the seed cum fertilizer. Two bowl seed drill are used for sowing or drilling the green gram. Then manures and fertilizer management or fertilizer. In that, its root nodules fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Legumes crops fix its have capacity to form root nodules and fix the atmospheric nitrogen with the help of the rhizobium bacteria. So generally 25 kg nitrogen, 40 kg phosphorus applied per hectare at the time of the sowing. This is the smaller amount required this first two nutrients. Intercultural and aftercare. In that, 1 weeding and 2 hoeing before 35 days, which help to reduce the competition of weed to the crops. the weeds are competed to with crops for nutrient source, light, spacing, and so other factors. Then thinning and gap filling should be done for the proper time. Then weed management also important. Two weedings done. First weeding at 20 to 25 days after the sowing, and second should be done 45 days after sowing. Then use of the some of the selective type of the herbicides like for flucloraline 1 kg active ingredient per hectare in dissolve in 800 to 1000 liter water, and pre planting spray should be applied in that field to control this weed. So water management, no irrigation is required for the kharif crops. Generally all in Maharashtra and India, this June to September, this is the period of the monsoon period, and that will be frequent irrigation, frequent monsoon showers will be occur, and that's why the no need required for the irrigation. But anyhow condition, some dry spells occur more than 15 to 20 days, some protective irrigation applied, one or two protective irrigation applied at the critical growth stages, at flowering and pod development stages can be applied. Then we discuss about the harvesting, threshing and maturity signs for the green gram crop. Picking these pods as soon as this mature these pods 2 to 3, and picking should be required for the green gram. Pods become black, grains become hard and moisture below 16%. This is the maturity signs for the threshing, harvesting, and that will be dried down and then will be threshed down by the trampling under the feet of bullocks or different mechanical threshers. So these are the all about the harvesting, threshing and maturity sign. Then we discuss about the yield. Generally green gram, it is the one of the rain fed crop, near about average yield 12 to 15 quintal per hectare grain production is obtained. Then we discuss about the some plant protections and some important pests and diseases. The pest and diseases: thrips, jascids, leaf hopper, hairy caterpillar and aphids. These are the some important pests we have observed in the green gram crop. Then some diseases: yellow vein mosaics, anthracnose, charcoal rot, leaf curl, or these are the some different important diseases observed in black gram and also green gram crop, both are legumes crops, and these are several diseases are similar, they occur in that particular crop. Okay, these are the all about our green gram crops. Okay, thank you.